In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download QuickBooks. We will focus on getting the QuickBooks online mobile app onto your Android device so you can use it anywhere. Open Google Play Store. On most Android phones, you find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. When it opens, you should see a search bar at the top and a list of suggested apps below. Make sure you are connected to the internet, otherwise the store might sit on a loading screen or show an error. Search QuickBooks Online. Tap into the search bar at the top and type the words QuickBooks Online, then tap the search button. In a second or two, you will see a list of matching apps, usually with some ads at the top and official apps below. Many people accidentally tap an ad for a different finance tool here, so look carefully before you continue. Select the QuickBooks app by Intuit. In the search results, find the app that shows the green QuickBooks logo and the publisher name Intuit. The full name usually mentions QuickBooks Accounting or QuickBooks Online. Tap that result to open the app page. On this page, you should see the logo, the app name, Intuit listed under the title, and an install button. Tap Install. When you tap Install, the button changes to show a progress bar as the download begins. You might see a quick message asking for permission to download over mobile data if you are not on Wi-Fi. Once the download finishes, the progress bar completes and the button changes to Open. That means the app is now stored on your device and added to your app list. Open the app. You can tap the Open button right here in the Play Store or find the green QuickBooks icon in your app drawer later. When the app launches for the first time, you may see a brief loading screen with the QuickBooks logo while it prepares your account options. After a moment, it will land on the Sign In page with fields ready for your email and password. Sign in. On this screen, enter the email address and password you already use for QuickBooks Online, then tap Sign In. If your details are correct, the app will connect to your company file and load your dashboard. You should now see your business name at the top, along with menus for things like invoices and expenses. Any change you make here updates your QuickBooks Online account right away without any extra save step. You have now downloaded the QuickBooks Online app on Android and signed in so you can manage your books on the go. If this helped you get QuickBooks running on your phone, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you would like more guides.